Good morning. You should have the worksheet called Going to the Dogs. Yesterday or last week, we looked at this side called Horsing Around, and today in your station, you're going to look at this side called Going to the Dogs. Please use the cube strategy as you read through the problem. Ben is building a fenced-in area for his two dogs. He wants to make a rectangular yard for the dogs. He has 24 feet of fencing that he can use to make the largest area for the dogs to play in and live. We know that when we see words like fencing, that is probably going to be talking about perimeter, because when we talk about fencing, it goes around the outside of an area, not the whole inside of the area. Since he has 24 feet of fencing, we know that he probably needs that the perimeter of the area is going to be 24 feet. So we're supposed to draw a rectangular space that has a perimeter of 24, but the largest area. So what should we think about? We know the formula for perimeter is perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So 24 equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So when I draw this rectangle, all 4 sides will add up to 24. That means 2 of my sides will add up to half of 24. So when I divide this by 2, I now know that my length and width need to add up to 12. So the first step in deciding your rectangular areas is to see what 2 numbers we can add to get 12. I know I can add 1 plus 11, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 9, and you can think of the rest. What are all the possible combinations that we can use to add up to 12? Now, those would all have a perimeter of 24, but we also want the largest area. So your job is going to be to draw the 2 rectangles that have a perimeter of 24, but the largest areas. To find the area, we know we need to multiply length times width. So if 1 and 11 are the length and width, that means our area would be 11 square feet. If the length and width are 2 and 10, the area would be 20 square feet. So once you have figured out what all of the sides could be, then you need to multiply to figure out the areas. Choose the ones with the 2 largest areas and draw those and label them on our graph paper, which you have on like this on your sheet, and then follow the rest of the directions.